What if I told you that one of the clearest signals of your health is hiding in plain sight every single morning? Yet most men over 50 don't even realize it's slipping away. Think about it. When you wake up, your body sends powerful signals about how healthy, energized, and youthful it still is. For men, one of the most important of those signals is the natural morning erection. But here's the problem. After the age of 50, many men notice it becoming weaker, less frequent, or even disappearing completely. Along with it, that quiet sense of strength, masculinity, and confidence starts to fade. Now, most people blame age. It's easy to say, well, I'm getting older, so this is just normal. But let me stop you right there, because that's not the full story. The surprising truth is that in many cases, it isn't simply about age. The real issue often lies in your nutrient levels. I'm Dr. Zoey, and in this video, I'm going to show you the exact vitamins you should be taking at night to prepare your body for stronger, more reliable morning erections. These are safe, natural nutrients that support testosterone, boost circulation, and help your body recover while you sleep. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I share practical, science-based health tips in every video, and you don't want to miss the strategies that can make you feel younger, stronger, and more alive. Now, let's talk about why morning erections matter so much. They're not just a sign of desire or intimacy. In reality, they are one of the clearest indicators of your overall health. When your morning erections are strong and consistent, it shows your blood vessels are flexible, your testosterone is active, and your nervous system is functioning well. But when they weaken or vanish, it's often your body's way of warning you that something is off with your circulation, hormone balance, or energy reserves. Here's the encouraging news. Your body hasn't forgotten how to perform. It just needs the right tools to activate its natural systems again. And some of the most powerful tools are vitamins that quietly go to work while you sleep. The first one we'll talk about is vitamin D. Often called the sunshine vitamin, your body naturally produces it when your skin is exposed to sunlight. But once you pass 50, your skin becomes less efficient at making enough of it, which is where supplementation can make a world of difference. Here's the surprising part. Most men think they're getting enough vitamin D, but even those who feel healthy are often running critically low. And one of the first places that deficiency shows up is in their vitality and performance. In today's lifestyle, men spend far more time indoors than outdoors. Whether it's long office hours, driving, or simply avoiding the sun, the result is the same: dangerously low vitamin D levels. And this problem is extremely common in men over 50, even those who believe they're otherwise in good shape. So why is this such a big deal? Because vitamin D plays a direct role in testosterone production, and testosterone is the hormone that fuels stamina, muscle strength, sexual drive, and even the confidence you carry as a man. Without enough vitamin D, testosterone quietly sinks. You might feel more tired, notice your drive weakening, and even see a decline in bedroom performance. But when vitamin D levels are restored, it's like flipping a hidden switch. Suddenly, your hormone machinery starts working again. Testosterone rises, circulation improves, and those natural morning erections return stronger and more consistent. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. That way you won't miss the upcoming vitamins I'll share, because they work hand in hand with vitamin D to recharge your energy and restore your vitality. Now here's something many men don't realize. Vitamin D isn't just about hormones. It also supports the health of your blood vessels. It strengthens the inner lining of your arteries, known as the endothelium. When this lining is healthy, blood vessels stay relaxed and flexible, allowing smooth blood flow into the penis. But without enough vitamin D, vessels stiffen, circulation slows, and firmness becomes harder to achieve. And here's the secret. It's not only about taking vitamin D, it's about taking it the right way. Because vitamin D is fat-soluble, your body only absorbs it properly when paired with healthy fats. That's why taking it first thing in the morning with just water is a waste. Instead, the best approach is to take it in the evening, alongside dinner. This simple timing trick makes sure your body absorbs and uses vitamin D effectively, supporting both your hormones and your circulation. So we've seen how vitamin D supports your hormones and your circulation, two of the most important foundations of men's health. But vitamin D isn't the only nutrient your body is silently craving. There's another mineral that often gets overlooked, yet it plays a direct role in blood flow, testosterone, and even your quality of sleep. And that mineral is magnesium. Here's the shocking truth. Up to 70% of adults are deficient in magnesium, and most don't even know it. And for men, this single deficiency could be silently draining both your strength and your vitality. Magnesium is essential for keeping the smooth muscles of your arteries relaxed. When your arteries are relaxed, circulation improves, allowing more blood to flow freely to the penis. But when magnesium levels are too low, arteries become stiff, and nitric oxide, the very molecule that signals blood vessels to open, declines. These two factors are among the key reasons why so many men experience weaker firmness as they age. By replenishing magnesium, you're not only supporting hormone balance, you're also directly improving the blood flow that your erections depend on. In other words, magnesium strengthens both the engine and the fuel lines of male performance. Before we go further, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon. I share practical, science-backed strategies in every video, and if you're serious about regaining your energy and confidence, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's talk timing. Because with magnesium, when you take it is just as important as how much you take. I recommend magnesium in the evening, right before bed, for two powerful reasons. First, it helps your body and mind unwind, allowing you to slip into deeper, more restorative sleep. Second, testosterone production naturally peaks during deep sleep. This is the very window when your body repairs and rebuilds hormones. By taking magnesium at night, you're fueling your system at the exact hours when it matters most. But that's not all. Many men over 50 struggle with restless nights, muscle cramps, or frequent waking. Magnesium helps relax tense muscles, calm the nervous system, and even stabilize blood sugar through the night. The result? More consistent, higher quality sleep. And better sleep means higher testosterone. Higher testosterone, in turn, means stronger, more reliable mornings. It becomes a powerful cycle that begins with something as simple as restoring magnesium levels. The best part is, magnesium isn't hard to get. Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are great natural sources. And if diet alone doesn't cut it, a high-quality supplement can easily fill the gap. The key is to take it before bed, ideally with a small glass of water. Over time, many men notice that not only do their erections improve, but their overall mood, energy, and strength begin to return as well. And that brings us to the next essential nutrient for men's vitality, one that most people only think of for colds and immunity, but which actually plays a surprisingly powerful role in circulation and hormonal health. That vitamin is vitamin C. Vitamin C is often thought of as nothing more than the vitamin that fights off colds or supports the immune system. But when it comes to men's health and vitality, its influence goes far deeper. After magnesium has set the stage by improving sleep and hormone balance, vitamin C steps in as a crucial player in circulation, the very foundation of strong and lasting erections. One of the most important ways vitamin C works is by boosting nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is the compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing blood to surge exactly where it needs to go. Without enough nitric oxide, even if your desire is strong, your body simply cannot translate that into firmness. That makes vitamin C not just helpful, but essential. But circulation is not only about opening vessels, it's also about protecting them. Over time, oxidative stress caused by free radicals damages vessel walls, making them stiff, narrow, and fragile. Vitamin C acts like a protective shield, neutralizing that oxidative damage so your vessels stay supple, flexible, and capable of carrying blood freely. This means better circulation not only for your heart, but also for your pelvic region, where reliable blood flow is the key to confidence and performance. Vitamin C also plays an overlooked role in protecting testosterone. Inside the testes, where hormones are produced, oxidative stress can slowly weaken the very cells responsible for testosterone creation. Vitamin C reduces this internal stress, almost like armor, keeping the hormone-making machinery safe and effective. With that protection, your body is better able to maintain testosterone levels, fueling energy, drive, and masculine confidence. And just like with magnesium and vitamin D, timing matters. Vitamin C is water-soluble, which means your body uses it quickly but cannot store it for long. Unlike fat-soluble vitamins, it washes out easily. That's why splitting your intake, taking some in the morning and some in the evening, keeps your levels consistent around the clock. This steady supply ensures that your blood vessels stay healthier, inflammation stays lower, and nitric oxide production stays reliable at all hours of the day and night. In short, vitamin C is more than an immune booster. It is one of the hidden keys to keeping your circulation strong, your testosterone protected, and your vitality alive as you age. Over time, this steady supply of vitamin C truly adds up. Men who consistently support their bodies with this nutrient often notice not just better circulation and firmer erections, but also faster recovery, stronger immunity, sharper focus, and a renewed sense of energy overall. It is one of the simplest, safest, and most effective vitamins to keep in your routine, especially when your goal is to protect both your hormones and your blood flow. And now you can see how it all ties together. Vitamin D primes your hormones, magnesium helps you sleep deeply and maximize testosterone production, and vitamin C supports circulation and nitric oxide levels. Together, they create the perfect foundation for overnight recovery so that by morning, your body feels stronger, more responsive, and more alive. Think of it as setting the stage. While you rest, your hormones rise, your blood vessels stay relaxed, and your energy is restored, so you wake up ready to perform at your best. So here is my advice. If you are a man over 50 and you want to bring back the mornings you miss, don't just assume it's aging. Instead, ask yourself, what is my body missing? Add these 3 essentials: vitamin D with healthy fats at dinner, magnesium before bed to support hormones and sleep, and vitamin C to keep your circulation flowing freely. With consistency, many men find that within weeks their mornings feel stronger, their energy climbs higher, and their confidence begins to return. I'm Dr. Zoey, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical guidance on men's health, prostate care, and vitality after 50. And don't just watch, take action. Start with these simple steps tonight and give your body what it needs to perform the way it was designed to. Remember, your strength and confidence are not gone. They're waiting to be restored.